Hello everyone, welcome to Elder Sisters Wellness channel. Today, let's explore the 9th solar term among the 24 solar terms. Green in year, 芒种.芒种usually arrives between June 5th and 7th each year. The word mang refers to crops with awns, such as rice, millet, and broken millet. 种 means both seed and sowing. This solar term marks the official beginning of midsummer, bringing rise in temperature, abundant rainfall, and high humidity. In ancient China, 芒种 was divided into 3 stages. First stage, praying mantises appear. As temperatures rise, mantis eggs hatch, and the young praying mantises begin to emerge. Second stage, the shrikes begin to sing. The shade-loving shrike bird starts chirping among the branches. Third stage, the mockingbird falls silent. Sensing the seasonal change, the mockingbird gradually stops singing. Wellness tips for 芒种: prevent dampness and heat, calm the mind. Doing 芒种, heat and humidity increase, making people feel tired and irritable more easily. Seasonal wellness during this period should follow the strong young energy of summer. Focus on strengthening the spleen and removing dampness, clearing heat and relieving summer heat, nursing the heart and calming the mind. Traditional custom of 芒种, sending of the flower goddess. Ancient people believed that flowers with doing 芒种 signal the departure of flower goddess. Therefore, people would hold ceremony to honor and bid farewell to the flower goddess. Boiling green plums. May and June are the seasons when green plums ripen. Green plums are rich in organic acids and minerals are believed to help promote body fluid and relieve thirst, reduce fatigue, aid digestion, balance body acidity and alkalinity. Because free plums taste very sour and astringent, they are often made into preserved boiled plums or sour plum drinks. Eating 君达菜. 君达菜 is a seasonal vegetable commonly eaten in southern China around 芒种. Traditionally, it is believed to help clear heat and detoxify the body. Eating it in summer may help reduce heat rush. Dietary wellness. Eat lightly and strengthen the spleen. In its season, meals should be light and avoid greasy or overly rich food. Strengthened food include red beans, cross-seed, Chinese yam, winter melon, hyacinth beans. These foods help promote urination, remove dampness, and support digestive health. Clear heat and relieve summer heat. Suitable foods include watermelon, lotus leaves, mung beans, bitter melon. These foods help cool the body, reduce internal heat, and relieve thirst. Increase sour flavors, reduce bitter flavors. Moderate amounts of sour foods such as tomatoes, hawthorn berries, sour plum soup can help preserve heart energy. Bitter food should be eaten in moderation, as excessive bitterness may weaken the spleen and the stomach. Daily lifestyle tips. The days become longer and nights shorter. It is recommended to sleep slightly later and wake earlier, following the natural rise of young energy. Taking a short nap at noon can help restore energy and relieve fatigue. After 芒种, humidity becomes heavier, so avoid staying in air conditioner for long periods. Taking cold showers. eating successful cold or iced foods. Prevent cold dampness from entering the body. Emotional wellness. Focus on nourishing the heart. After Manzhong, heart fire tends to become strong, making people more prone to irritability. It is important to maintain a calm mood. Avoid emotional extremes. Keep emotions stable. This helps calm the spirit and maintain balanced circulation of qi and blood. Exercise during Manzhong. Gentle exercise with light sweating. Suitable activities include walking, light jogging, tai chi, yoga. Exercise should produce only light sweating. The best time for exercise are early morning or evening, while avoiding intense sunlight and a hot, humid period. After exercising, avoid taking immediate cold shower. We hope today's Manzhong wellness sharing helps you embrace the rhythm of summer with greater ease. Thank you for following Elder Sisters Wellness channel. Wishing you good health and a joyful spirit throughout this hot season. See you again at the next solar term, summer solstice.